Everyone wants maps. The Shogun wants them. The merchants. Oh.
Those tools. Are you an artist?
Oh, no. These are map-making tools. Ezo is a mystery to the mainland. The Shogun would like to see that change.
Mapping out Ezo for war, is he?
I am just the cartographer who spilled tea on the wrong lord and ended up being sent here. To the middle of nowhere.
The middle of nowhere has changed since I was here last. Maps would help.
These are for the Shogun, but you and your sword look like you obviously have more use for them. Please, pick any map. I will make you copies for a very small fee. And we can be friends who don't kill each other. Yes?
You have yourself a deal.
There. Before you go, you look like a very capable...
What's the job?
There is this monk, Geisho. He has been helping me mark spiritual sites on my maps. A villager told him of one nearby. He went to confirm its location. He has not returned.
Point me in the right direction.
See the smoke?
I see it.
That is his camp. But it's been hours. He is the only friend I have in these parts.
I'm sure it's fine. I'll go check on him when I can.
Thank you.
Over here, boy!
He said east, maybe over that way. That can't be right.
Monk Gesho? The cartographer Isaburo sent me to check on you.
He worries too much. Though I am grievously lost. What I search for is worth it. Places of reflection, altars set by those who seek to find their path.
I remember the statues. My father helped some farmers place one when I was young.
Ah, you are a local. May I convince you to keep me company as I search? Your eyes might see something I can't.
It is bad luck to leave a spiritual man alone in the woods.
I will take that as a yes. Let us proceed.
Why is it so important that you find these altars?
With the amount of Ronin making their way to Ezo, I fear the peaceful lives many enjoy here will go extinct. But if I can show them how to take a moment, to think, to breathe, they could find a new way of doing things. The trees here look young.
I'll cut through, see if they're hiding something. It looks like the one Father placed.
Let us take a moment to reflect on who we are, who we were, and who we want to be. We learn something from every person we meet. I am glad my path now includes you, traveler.
Well, what do we have here? An old man and a woman. Don't you know these woods belong to Lord Saito?
Get behind me.
These are just the sort of men who could use a moment of reflection. But at least I was right to trust you. Here, take this with my gratitude.
You were also right about the altars. They're worth looking for.
Safe travels, my friend.
Tried to stay out of trouble this time? Sounds like a wolf is nearby.
Lord Saito, please accept this sword. No, wrong. Lord Saito, I will train day and night to... greetings, warrior. You may call me Manjuro, bear of Ezo.
You're training loudly, Manjuro, bear of Ezo.
You jest. I may look like a simple farmer now, but I will be Lord Saito's grand army soon. He will make sure I become a samurai, a proper one.
Saito will just use you as fodder against the Matsumae.
You dare question Lord Saito's honor? I challenge you. A fight to the death.
Let's see what you've got.
I surrender.
I think that's enough.
Just kill me and afford me an honorable death.
You're not the first to be beaten down by a stronger opponent. Stand up and act like your name. Manjuro, bear of Ezo. Hey, boy. A homestead taken over by Saito's men.
Someone there?
Wasn't yet ready to die! Your face is on a bounty poster. I am here to collect!
You'll fetch a nice bounty from the Yotei 6. Wait! Spare me!
Talk. I know the Kitsune is in Teshio Ridge. Tell me how to get there.
If you go there, you'll disappear. Just like all the others.
Tell me.
Follow the Nupuru River as far north as it goes, in the Nyoro wilds.
Get out of here. They were looking for me. And the people who lived here paid the price.
Some of you were born to this land. Others, like myself, were forced to make Ezo our home. A home we have built beyond the Shogun's control. Where anyone can join Clan Saito and be named samurai. If they are brave enough to earn it. Clan Matsumai call themselves the Protectors of the North. But this land is ours, and we will defend our home!
What is it? One of our camps has fallen. They say it was attacked by an Onryo.
A ghost. That woman is flesh and blood.
Of course, my lord. Only the people believe otherwise.
The people believe what they are told. When you call her Onryo, you evoke something greater than a single woman. You give her power. It has taken years to gain a foothold in Ezo. Every camp we lose gives the Matsumai ground. Bring me her head, not excuses.
how bad he smelled.
Traveler!
That woman had the strangest little... Find me, boy! hunters.
Someone go inside though. It ain't well for you.
Prepare to die!
Vitor! The ghost!
Sounds like a wolf is nearby. You again. You've been busy. I don't like Saito's men either. Seems we have a common enemy. There's more of them, aren't there? Let's see if you'll lead me to his friends. Saito banners. So he has them killing wolves now. Let's get your friend out of this cage. Saito must want you all gone. His way of taming Ezo. Good thing we got here just in time. And that you didn't bite my arm off. You're welcome.
If your arrow strikes true, you live. If not, you lose it. How do you fight with only one eye? I stay angry from the memory of that day. My blade faltered. Now, I have to be twice as good as the enemy. And twice as rich. If you serve Lord Saito...
That one looks like he's in charge.
He is a great man. His wisdom will lead us to victory.
I've fought worse than you.
You must be the one Lord Saito is after. I'm eager to earn his favor.
A bounty poster. Wanai Moritaka. Hope you're worth something dead. Go, go! Saito banners.
Look at this one. Picking at corpses. No shame at all.
What of it?
Oh, I see. You actually want to join the dead.
Leave the kid alone.
This is none of your business, lady.
Hey, I think that's her. The one who killed the snake.
She doesn't look like a ghost to me.
Do we have a problem?
It's not worth it. Let's go.
Are you alright?
Of course. I mean, I had that handled, but...
Sit. I'll make us a fire. You shouldn't pick fights you can't win.
I've had worse. The cost of running a successful business. Don't burn them!
You want to do this?
No, you got it. The customer is always right.
What's your name, kid?
Taro, what's yours?
Atsu. Where are your parents?
Around.
So why are you picking corpses?
It's called starting a business. I pick from the dead and sell it to the living. Only the high-quality goods my customers deserve, of course. Don't believe me? See here this finely crafted armor. Ooh, all yours. Just a taste of what you can expect from your favorite tradesman.
Hey, you guys, thanks again for watching that Gentleman Jug play. Please check out all the other things that Gentleman Jug has to offer, especially all the videos. And if you like this video, please do all the other things all the other YouTubers tell you to do. And check out the Gentleman Jug cast, pretty much available wherever you can listen to your Jug cast. Peace out! Genius of my sound, born at the bottom, but now I'm top down. Look, I'ma call it swagger. I slip through time zones like a cloak and dagger. Mad